Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to see which Instagram carousel frame got most likes. As of late 2025, you can see which specific frame in an Instagram carousel received the most likes by opening the Insights section of a posted carousel. Instagram updated analytics now, so frame by frame engagement, allowing you to see exactly which slide prompted users to tap the like. Now to see this or to access this feature, all you have to do is open Instagram, then head to your profile by tapping on your profile icon located on the bottom right. Then head to that specific post. You should be able to find this option called View Insights. Go ahead and tap on it. However, there are zero engagement with this post, so I am not able to show you, but you should be able to find your descriptions regarding your carousel post over here. And you should be able to find the number of likes on that specific post or specific slide over here. Now, and that is how you can use this feature to get insight of your Instagram's carousel frame like. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.